So Red Leopard specialises in analysing people's colours, people's style, and making sure that people's wardrobes are perfect for them. And how we do it is we start always with colour, because colour is the most important part of looking fabulous all the time. If you're wearing colours that are right for you, you will look healthy, you will look vibrant, you will look friendlier, you will look younger, and you'll look slimmer.
So what we find is that using the colour theory that was developed in the 1920s, they talked about how colours had either more yellow or more blue added to them. So the colours were either warmer or cooler. So if you look at our colour wheel, you'll see the top half, all of these colours have more yellow added to them. So the quality of these colours is they are warm. And on the bottom half of the colour wheel, all of these colours have more blue added to them. So the quality of these colours is they are cool. So what we find is that skin tone is more in harmony either on the top half, warmer colours or cooler colours. And that's when you see this young, fresh, energetic look to the skin when people are wearing colours that are in harmony with themselves. So what we find is that also you either are looking better in colours that are richer or brighter, or brighter or softer. So that's where we work with these seasonal palettes, which are named the seasons to be poetic. It's not about wearing a spring colour in the spring like fashion talk about, but we use those descriptive words to place our clients into their best colours.
Okay, I mean, when we see clients and we do their colour analysis, sometimes people get really, really upset because they've got a wardrobe full of clothes which might be wrong for them. What we find is that they're very happy to start investing in scarves because it's not a huge investment and it is an immediate aid to looking fabulous. So you don't have to change your entire wardrobe all at once, but by investing in scarves that are really great for you, you will be able to start the process very, very easily. Now, the scarf is terribly important because it sits right next to your face, and so the whole point of colour analysis is that colours affect each other. So your face, your skin is a colour. Everything you put next to your face will have an immediate effect on your skin. So that's why the scarf is probably the accessory we feel is the most important thing to invest in.